Now I need some of these Selfheals as well. I've been looking for a spot where they are plentiful. Right now I don't have my medicinal book with me to discuss the health benefits or potential of them. But I never take more than I should from one area of any plant. That's one of my rules to harvesting plants. You only take what you need. And sometimes you don't know how much you need. Don't be afraid to take nature's bounty. Some people are afraid to pick flowers. For example, when I was up in passing near Mount Rainier, and I saw some glacier lilies up there, and I harvested one for my book because I have a flower book. And it's like, should I feel guilty because I took one flower when there's like tens of thousands of them? I don't know, maybe. It's probably millions upon millions, really, but I try to do my part, take care of the landscape, be respectful of my environment, but it's okay to take a few plants you might want to use or experiment with. All right. I think that's about it for me, and I'm good to go. Look at the bounty. Get that grass out of there. Not bad. Now I'm sure there's other things I could find out here as well, but for now, we're just going to go with what we have. Some snowberries, I believe. If I'm not mistaken, I think that's what these are. I'm having issues identifying certain berries because there's so many out here. But here's a whole hedge of wild raspberries, and that's pretty sweet. Ha, no pun intended.